You don't want to be hanging out in the jail. Just deal with this stuff, okay? I hope you do. Okay, you take care. Bye-bye.
Bettencourt.
This is one of Kim's. Hello, you are, how do you say your first name? How do you say your first name?
Bettencourt.
Oh, say your first name very slowly and loudly.
Yeah, Lee Bettencourt.
Still can't get it. Okay, this is the time set for your initial appearance on a warrant out of, looks like Tucson City Court. Yeah, I think that's it. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. Did you know you had a warrant out of Tucson City Court?
No.
Okay, well, you're gonna have to deal with it. I'm looking at information available. Do you have any solid address, or is it all is it still general delivery, or what's your address? Do you have one?
Yeah. I'm just waiting for my house to get done.
I don't understand what you're saying. You what?
I have work. I'm over here.
Hold on. Wait till you stop yawning. Now, do you have a street address?
Oh.
Let me talk. Let me talk. Do you have a street address that you can tell me where you can get mail?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you very clearly and slowly say that street address? Go ahead.
65, 30, 38, East Avenue.
Okay. I see something in the booking booking sheet. It says 6282 East Avenue Way.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Anyway, all I'm going to do is set release conditions. I'm a little worried about you being able to show up if I release you on your promise to appear. The hearing wouldn't be for a while, and I don't want to necessarily hang on to you, but I'm worried about you showing up. If I give you a date and give it to you in writing and it has the address, you think you can show up?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to order that you be released on your promise to appear at the next court date, which will be on November 18, 2024 at 9:30 a.m. It's going to be in Tucson City Court in front of Judge Maldonado. As conditions of release, do not possess or consume any alcohol or illegal drugs, and do not return to the incident location. You think you can follow those rules? Okay. You'll be released a little later on. You'll get this in writing. Make sure you make your court hearing. Thank you.
Mandates.